Hello, everyone. Welcome back to A1 English Podcast, the English podcast made for real people, real conversations, and real progress.
I'm Jessica.
And I'm Jack. And today is a big one.
It really is, because we are talking about something that affects every English learner. And honestly, most people don't even realize they're doing it wrong.
We're talking about pronunciation mistakes, 7 of the most common ones.
And here's the thing. These are not small, picky mistakes. These are the ones that confuse native speakers, the ones that can make people misunderstand you, even if your grammar is perfect.
Exactly. You could use the right word, the right grammar, the right sentence, but if the pronunciation is off, communication breaks.
But here's the good news. These mistakes are totally fixable, and we're going to fix them together right now in this episode.
Before we dive in, if you're listening to this and you want to improve your English naturally, please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. It helps us reach more learners just like you.
All right, let's get into it. 7 pronunciation mistakes. Let's go.
Okay, Jessica, before we go through the mistakes, I want to ask you something. When you think back to when you were first learning English, did pronunciation ever make you feel frustrated?
Oh, absolutely. I remember looking at a word and thinking, there is no way that's how you say it. English spelling and English pronunciation feel like two completely different languages sometimes.
That's so true. And that's actually the core of the problem. In English, what you see is often not what you say.
For example, the word knife. You see a K at the beginning, but do you say it? Nope, it's completely silent.
Or the word enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, but you say it like enough. That G-H makes an F sound. Wild, right?
It is wild, and that wildness is why so many learners make pronunciation mistakes. Not because they're not smart, but because English pronunciation rules are genuinely complicated.
So today, we're going to bring clarity to the confusion. We're going to name the 7 most common mistakes, explain why they happen, and show you exactly how to fix them.
And we're going to use real examples, practice sentences, and some fun little exercises. So stay with us.
All right, mistake number 1. We're calling this the silent letter trap.
This is probably the most common mistake for beginner and even intermediate learners. And it makes total sense, because when you're reading English, you want to say every letter you see. That's logical. But in English, it doesn't always work that way.
Let me give you some examples of words with silent letters that people often mispronounce.
Yes, let's go.
First, Wednesday. Many learners say Wednesday, all 3 syllables, but native speakers say Wednesday. The D in the middle is completely silent.
Wednesday. Say it with me. Wednesday. Good.
Second, receipt. People say receipt. That P at the end of re-C-P-T, silent. You never say it.
Receipt. Just like that. And third, this is one of my favorites. Island. People say island because they see the S, but actually you say island. The S is completely invisible to your mouth.
Island. Okay, here's your quick quiz. I'm going to say a word. You tell me, is the underlined letter silent or not? Ready?
Ready.
K-N-O-W. Is the K silent?
Yes, you just say no. The K is silent. No sounds exactly like no.
Perfect. So remember, in English, not every letter earns its sound. You need to learn the word as a whole, not just spell it out letter by letter.
Okay, mistake number 2, and this one is huge. It's about vowel sounds. English has 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. But those 5 vowels can make more than 20 different sounds. 20!
And that is where many learners get confused. They learn one sound for each vowel and use it everywhere. But that doesn't work in English.
For example, the vowel A in the word cat makes a short, flat sound, cat. But in the word cake, the A makes a long A sound, cake. Same letter, completely different sound.
Or think about the letter O. In the word hot, it sounds like ah, hot. But in the word cold, it sounds like oh, cold. And in the word word, the O makes a completely different sound, word.
So what do? Here's the advice. Instead of memorizing rules, memorize word families. Words that rhyme usually have the same vowel sound.
For example, cat, hat, bat, fat, mat. All those short A sounds, they all rhyme. Practice them as a group.
Or cake, lake, make, take, fake. All long A sounds. Learning in families helps your ear and your mouth work together.
So the fix for mistake number 2, don't just learn individual words, learn word groups with the same sound. Your pronunciation will improve so much faster.
Okay, here's mistake number 3. And honestly, this one might be the most important. It's about stress, word stress. When we say stress, we don't mean feeling anxious. We mean emphasis. Which part of the word do you say louder, longer, and with more energy?
In English, every word with more than one syllable has a stressed syllable, and if you stress the wrong one, native speakers can genuinely struggle to understand you, even if all your sounds are correct.
Here's a classic example. The word photograph. Say it with me, pho-to-graph. The stress is on the first syllable, photograph.
But the word photography, the stress shifts, photography. It's now on the second syllable, tog. Same root word, different stress.
Whoa, same spelling, completely different stress depending on the meaning. That is wild.
How do you fix? One way, look up words in a dictionary and pay attention to the stress markers. Most dictionaries show stress with a small mark. It looks like an apostrophe before the stressed syllable.
Another way, listen to native speakers and notice where they put the emphasis. Don't just listen for what they say, listen for how they say it. Which syllable sounds biggest? That's the stressed one.
All right, mistake number 4, and this one is a classic, the TH sound.
Oh, the TH sound. This one does not exist in many languages, so learners often replace it with a D or an S or a T sound.
For example, this becomes dis, think becomes tink or sink, they becomes day.
And here's the thing, there are actually 2 TH sounds in English. There's the soft TH, like in think, three, think, and the hard TH, like in this, that, they.
The soft TH, place your tongue gently between your teeth and let air flow through. Think, thank, three. Feel that? Your tongue is touching your top teeth from the outside.
The hard TH is the same physical position, tongue between teeth, but now you're using your voice too. This, they, that. You can feel the vibration in your throat.
Touch your throat while you say it. If you feel vibration, that's the voiced hard TH. If you don't feel vibration, that's the soft, unvoiced TH.
Practice sentence for soft TH. I think that Thursday is a good day to think about things. Tongue between teeth, no voice, just breath.
Practice sentence for hard TH. This is the weather they promised. Tongue between teeth, but with voice. Feel the difference?
Okay, mistake number 5. This one is sneaky. It's about dropping the endings of words, especially the final consonant sounds.
What do I mean? In many languages, words end in vowels, so when learners speak English, they sometimes swallow the final consonant or add an extra vowel sound at the end.
For example, stop becomes stoppa, book becomes buka, help becomes helpa. That extra sound at the end, that's the mistake.
Also, the ed ending is super commonly dropped or mispronounced. 3 different pronunciations. Walked, the ed sounds like a T. Lived, the ed sounds like a D. Wanted, the ed sounds like id.
Let me practice that. Walked, walked. Lived, lived. Wanted, wanted. Hear the difference? The ending changes based on the last sound of the verb.
Here's the simple rule. If the verb ends in a T or D sound, use id, wanted, needed, started. Otherwise, use T or D based on whether the sound is voiced or not. Walked, T. Played, D.
Don't panic about the details. Just listen to yourself when you speak and ask, am I adding a vowel sound that shouldn't be there? Am I dropping a consonant that should be there?
Okay, mistake number 6 is about specific words that almost every learner mispronounces even at advanced levels.
Oh yes, these are the tricky words that seem simple but trip people up constantly.
Let's go through a few. Comfortable. People say comfortable, 4 syllables, but native speakers usually say comfortable, 3 syllables, and it's fast.
Comfortable. Practice it. Next one, vegetable. People say veg-a-table, 4 syllables. Nope, native speakers say vegetable, 3 syllables.
February. This is a famous one. People say February, but most native speakers, February. That first R is almost swallowed.
And literally, so many people say lit-a-r-a-ly, but it's literally. The stress is at the beginning.
The lesson here? Even words you think you know, double-check them, look them up, listen to how native speakers say them. Don't assume the spelling tells you the pronunciation.
A great tool for this is forvo.com. It's a free website where real native speakers from all over the world record the pronunciation of words. So useful.
And here we are, mistake number 7, the last one, and in some ways, the most important.
This mistake is speaking too fast and mumbling. And I know what you're thinking, but native speakers speak so fast, I'm just copying them.
Here's the thing. Native speakers can speak fast because their mouth muscles are trained. Years and years of practice. Their mouth knows exactly where to go automatically.
When you speak fast and you're still learning, your mouth hasn't built those pathways yet, so fast speaking leads to mumbling, slurring, and sounds blending together in ways that are hard to understand.
The fix is simple but requires discipline. Slow down, especially when you're practicing. Say each word clearly. Open your mouth a little more than feels natural. Exaggerate the sounds.
Think of it like exercise. When you learn a new movement at the gym, you do it slowly first, right? That's how your muscles learn the correct form. Then speed comes naturally later.
Same with pronunciation. Slow and clear first, speed later. You'll be amazed how much more people understand you when you just breathe and slow down.
And here's a bonus tip, recording yourself speaking. I know it feels uncomfortable at first, but it's the fastest way to notice your own mumbling or rushing. Your ears will catch what your mouth is doing wrong.
All right, let's bring it all together with one practical exercise. This is your homework.
Easy homework, just one sentence. Read this sentence out loud, slowly, clearly, and paying attention to every word.
The sentence is, on Wednesday, I thought about 3 things: the comfortable weather, a receipt from the vegetable shop, and the island I want to visit.
Notice what's in there. Wednesday, silent D. Thought, silent GH, and a th sound at the beginning. 3, soft TH. Comfortable, 3 syllables. Receipt, silent P. Vegetable, 3 syllables. Island, silent S.
That one sentence covers almost everything we talked about today. Say it 5 times, slowly, out loud, even if you're alone in your room, especially if you're alone in your room. No pressure.
And if you can, record yourself saying it on your phone, then listen back. You might be surprised at what you hear.
Okay, let's do a super quick recap of the 7 mistakes we covered today.
Mistake 1, the silent letter trap. Don't pronounce every letter you see.
Mistake 2, wrong vowel sounds. One vowel letter can make many sounds.
Mistake 3, stress on the wrong syllable. Emphasis matters more than you think.
Mistake 4, confusing TH sounds. Tongue between teeth, breath, or voice.
Mistake 5, dropping word endings, especially the ED ending.
Mistake 6, mispronouncing common words. Even simple words can surprise you.
And mistake 7, speaking too fast and mumbling. Slow down, speak clearly, and build from there.
Remember, you don't need perfect pronunciation. You need clear, confident pronunciation. And that comes from practice, patience, and a little bit of courage to speak even when it's hard.
If this episode helped you, please hit the like button. It genuinely means so much to us and helps us reach more learners who need this.
And if you're not subscribed to A1 English Podcast yet, subscribe now. We put out new episodes every day designed to help you learn English naturally and confidently.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We believe in you.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye.